In this tutorial, we're going to learn about how to draw a face from scratch with simple tips and tricks and few brushes in Photoshop. Let's get started. Make a vertical line exact at the middle, then draw two horizontal lines, one from the middle and another a bit lower portion than that. This will be our eye area. Now draw a half oval shape from the end of the circle for the cheek and chin area. Now draw shapes of ears like this. Make some dots. Try to make them same size as much as possible and leave the mid portion with same width. Now give the light curved shapes for eye. For nose, try to draw triangle and give the shape of nose like I am doing. Below the nose, there will be mouth area. So for that, first make the small horizontal line from one eyeball to another eyeball maximum. That will be the mouth line. Then draw lips above and below that line. You have to give a little bit of space so that there will be our lip and the gap, the small gap between lips and our nose. Okay? Our face is almost ready. Here remember one thing, do not draw the whole shape in one stroke, at least while sketching. This tip is for each and every drawing. It's like face drawing or landscape drawing, each and everything, okay? Try to make small lines like my example to make the shape that you want. After rough sketching, try to draw the fair sketch so that it could be easily understandable. For coloring, I am selecting lasso tool, and after selecting the whole face, I am applying skin color. Always try to make new layers for your subject parts. Though I didn't make those, I forgot, but keep that in mind. Now, after applying the skin color, we have to give a bit dark shades for shadowy area. For the eye part, never use solid white. Always try to use grey or bluish grey to make it more natural. Now for the hair, I am using smudge tool with simple round brush to give the texture of hair. For extra shades, as she has makeup on her face, so you can see the eyeshadow, the extra shades on her cheek too. Now add the reflection on eye. For that, for the white part, use a bit whiter than that and pure white for the eyeball area. This will give your eye a natural look, okay? For lips, just play with your favorite lip color. This is my favorite part actually. Just remember, use the darker version of your shadowy area of your lip, and the reflective area or the highlighted area for that part, you can use lighter version of your color. So this was all for today guys. I hope you have learned and enjoyed this video. If you do so, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new and want to know more about art, both digital and hand drawings, and you want to learn it, then please do subscribe our channel. In this channel, we always talk about art that I know, and there will be plenty of hand drawings that are coming. So stay tuned for that. Please leave your comment. That will help me to motivate to make more videos like this. I will see you on my next video. Till then.